Hey guys, it's Kevin here, and this is video number 40. If you have been following me, you know that for every 10 videos, I do a review of my last 10 videos. I upload twice a week. 10 videos are more or less a month worth of YouTube. So I guess you can say it is a monthly review. If you have not subscribed yet, don't wait. Tap on the subscribe button right now till you get a sore finger. When I did my 30th video, I was just a little under 200 subs. Now I'm at 294 subscribers. It has probably gone past 300 subs by the time you're watching this video because I tend to record my videos in advance. It is all part of my devious plan. So what did I do in the past 10 videos that allowed me to grow just a little bit quicker? The answer may shock you, so stick around till the end to at least allow me to cover everything. The first thing I tried was YouTube Shorts. Some of you may have watched my YouTube Shorts, those videos where I tell you something and then I pretend to do something. I don't even know why I was pretending. It was completely spontaneous. But anyways, I started doing YouTube Shorts because I saw some small YouTubers were getting tens of thousands of views just from a single YouTube Shorts video. So I thought maybe I should give this a shot. Doing YouTube Shorts is simple. All you need to do is record a vertical video under 30 seconds and then upload that with the hashtag Shorts. At first, I was struggling because I did not like vertical videos. It just disrupts my OCD-ness in how my channel looks. But I did it, and what I used it for was to create a preview on what my full-length video is going to be. So for example, if I'm releasing my video on a Wednesday night, then I will release a YouTube short on a Tuesday night that has me talking a bit about the topic I am going to do. And after trying it out for 2 weeks, I got to say, I have mixed feelings about YouTube Shorts. Let's first cover the good things. YouTube Shorts is easy to do, like I don't have to write a script for it. It literally takes me 3 minutes to complete a video. It also creates a bit of spike in my analytics. I upload on Wednesdays and Saturdays, so my views tend to die down around Monday and Tuesday. Having those short videos sort of keep the views up a little before the real video launches. If you really do care a lot about view counts and graphs, then yeah, I suggest you give YouTube Shorts a try. So those are the two good things, but what about the bad ones? Now before you do YouTube Shorts, you need to ask yourself this question. What is the aim of this? Is it to get more views? Is it to get more watch hours? Is it to get more subscribers? If you're aiming for watch hours, then you shouldn't do YouTube Shorts because any number of hours watched on YouTube Shorts does not contribute to your watch hours. If you're doing it for views, then yeah, you can probably do that. It is quite easy to do and you can upload one YouTube Shorts every day. So the chances of you getting 10,000 views is pretty high. But you have to really understand this. Those view counts does not contribute to your channel's growth in any way. It is purely cosmetic. As for me, any videos I do must contribute to me being eligible for the YouTube Partner Program. In other words, they need to either help me grow in terms of watch hours or subscribers. Since YouTube Shorts is not giving me any watch hours, it must at least give me new subscribers. Well, I'm glad to say that after doing 4 YouTube Shorts in 2 weeks, I gained 3 new subscribers and I did get a bit of exposure to new viewers, which is great. Because my aim for my YouTube Shorts is really to try and convince my viewers in under 60 seconds to check out my channel. I don't want them to subscribe for my YouTube Shorts. I want them to subscribe for my full-length video content. That's where the magic is. But still, getting 3 subscribers for spending 12 minutes to create 4 videos, that's not too bad, right? I hope those 3 subscribers stuck around. And if you are those 3 subscribers and you are watching this video right now, please do leave a comment down below and let me know. But in the end, I decided to stop YouTube Shorts because it was damaging my channel more than it helped grow. As I always say, my top priority is always my subscribers. Doesn't matter if it's just 1 or 10 or 100 or 1000. If I can sense that it isn't popular and it is irritating my subscribers, then I stop. And my instincts can be pretty accurate. So apologies if it annoyed you, and if you did like my pretending series, well, I got to end it. Sorry. Will I do YouTube Shorts again? Maybe, but it all has to do with how my subscribers react to it. And I will answer that question in a minute. But first, you need to understand why my subscribers matters a lot. So let's quickly recap my subscribers count. I reached my first 100 subscribers after doing 20 videos, my 200 subscriber count after doing 30 videos, and my 300 subscriber count after doing less than 40 videos. And if I haven't hit 300 subscribers, make sure you help me out and get me over it. At the time I'm recording this video, I'm about 6 subscribers short of 300. Anyways, in summary, it took me about 20 videos to get my first 100 subscribers, and then another 10 videos to get from 100 to 200 subscribers, and then less than 10 videos to go from 200 to 300 subscribers. So over 20 videos for my first 100 subscribers, over 10 videos but less than 20 videos for my next 100 subscribers, and less than 10 videos for the last 100 subscribers. I like where this is going. And I always like the idea where I can measure my growth because it tells me how I am doing, what I am doing wrong, and what I am doing right. And if you aren't measuring your channel's growth, maybe it is something you should start thinking about, because at every stage in your channel's growth, the strategy is different. So make sure you measure your channel's growth, find out what works and what doesn't, otherwise you'll be doing the same thing over and over again and expecting different results. That's actually the definition of insanity. Will I do YouTube Shorts again? Never say never. I did think of putting YouTube Shorts on Mondays to make it, more consistent view throughout the week, so I might just post once a week. If you are planning to do YouTube Shorts, then you need to be really careful because you may attract people who prefers to watch short videos than long videos. I'm a long-winded person and I can talk and talk and talk, so shorts aren't really for me. I prefer people who watch my full-length videos so that I can give them more values that way. Also, if you search around on YouTube, you'll find that YouTube Shorts is sort of a hit and miss for most YouTubers. Some got their first YouTube Short video featured and some never. And also, there are some who gain like 1,000 subscribers in 2 days and then proceed to lose several hundreds in the following days. And that's to be expected. Maybe there's a group of viewers who prefer to watch YouTube Shorts because they have no patience to watch longer, better videos. In which case, that's a little strange, but what do I know? I think Instagram stories is stupid, yet it turns out to be one of the most effective features in Instagram ever. But again, make sure you know your audience, and if your channel is still small, just go ahead and try YouTube Shorts. If you do have subscribers who keeps coming back to watch your videos, then you may want to reconsider. I do think that YouTube Shorts can potentially piss off your current subscribers. So, since this is my 40th video special, I thought I want to share with you a little preview of my upcoming video that I am super excited about. But before that, let me share with you a secret. I have not been doing any engagement for weeks now, but my subscriber count is still steadily increasing. The only engagement I ever did was with those I subscribed to. So you may be wondering, why is that? And that is because I have been testing out YouTube paid ads. I desperately wanted to share with you in this video, but there's a bit of hiccup in my testing, so I couldn't present it in such a way where I'm happy with. And the best part is I was running ads technically for free. So if you want to know how I did it, make sure you hit that subscribe button and watch out for that video. And that like button, yes, turn that like button to blue right now. So what am I going to do moving forward? Well, as you know, I like to try out new things to see what works and what doesn't. And frankly speaking, I am running out of ideas. So if you have any ideas, feel free to leave me a comment. I probably want to try and play around with my thumbnails because my click-through rate is extremely low, so I might try and spice it up a little. I am really worried about this because I am so bad at thumbnails. I am the worst person when it comes to colors and design. Even a 5-year-old can do better than me. I think thumbnail and titles is something I haven't figured out still. I'm not very good at copywriting or creating titles that appeals to people. Even my photos aren't very attractive. I also like to try and speak a bit more authentic. Right now, I have a script, and the bad thing about having a script is I am unable to speak naturally. Maybe I can try and build a custom teleprompter or something. That will save me tons of time trying to record a video. I think my channel has come a long way. I'm 4 months in, 40 videos, and the way I speak has definitely changed quite a bit. If you ever want to start a YouTube channel, I'll say go ahead, but make sure you use this platform not as a place to get social recognition, but as a place for you to change yourself. I think the ability to speak is very underrated, and if you do improve on your public speaking, you can really go very far in life. Alright, I've got some time to burn, so let me share with you one more quick secret. The secret to having your channel grow is really just be yourself. You may think that you need this fancy music with great lighting and videography, and that could very well be true if your channel is aimed towards entertainment. But I personally find that doing that sort of production really will take up a lot of my time, and it will make me not want to do YouTube because it doesn't sound fun. My preferred method is education, which can grow rather slow compared to others, but I find those subscribers tend to stick around longer. Okay, so I hope you like that small little pep talk. Thank you so much for your support. 4 months sounds really short, but it definitely is quite a journey. As always, thank you very much for giving me some of your precious time listening to what I have to say. I really appreciate it. I'll chat with you soon, and I'll see you next time. See ya.